So today we are going to derive this Prandtl-Meyer equation. So to derive this we have to first know we required first is next we require to remember this continuity equation, which is given by rho 1 a v1 rho 2 a v2. So here a is constant and this is this. Next we need this momentum equation. So momentum equation means Newton's second law. So P1 minus P2 multiplied by A, that is the force, and it is given by rate of change of momentum. So this is the rate of change of momentum. Next, at stagnation, H01 is equal to H02, and we know that H0 is equal to H plus half of v square. So from that, what we can write, H1 plus half v1 square is equal to H2 plus half v2 square. Next we require to remember this. Therefore, to derive this Prandtl-Meyer equation, we have to remember this 4 equation. Then it is very much easy to derive. So from this equation, let us take these two portion, that is okay. Next what we have to do, multiply by this and divide by v1. You will have this equation. So make it number 1. Similarly, if you take the other two portion from this, that is this and this portion and this portion, then you will have these two equations. Okay. Next step, we will use this momentum equation. You can see here this momentum equation will be used here. So what we get in this momentum equation is that P1 minus P2 is equal to m by a v2 minus v1. Now here we have to apply this continuity equation. So let's check out this continuity equation. This is your continuity equation. Now from this, what you can write, rho 1 v1 is equal to rho 2 v2 is equal to m dash m dot by a. So you got this equation. Now what you can do, you can check out this. You can put this value m dot by a here, So p1 by, so here p1, so I will write rho 1 v1 minus p2 rho 2 v2 is equal to v2 minus v1. Okay, next you multiply it by gamma. So one thing you have to remember this, that C is given by gamma p by rho. Okay, so you can write here C1 square minus C2 square gamma v2 minus v1. Let it mark as 2. So I made this equation in this form. Now you have determined this value. You can check out here. Now put this value in this equation. After putting this value, you can take common this, that is gamma plus 1 by 2, also c star square v1 minus 1 by v2, and here plus you can take common gamma minus 1 by 2, so here you have v2, and from this minus of v1, that is gamma v2 minus v1. Now gamma plus 1 by 2 c star square v1 v2, taking LCM we will have this, plus gamma minus 1 by 2 v2 minus v1 gamma v2 minus v1, so it will cancelled out. So gamma plus 1 by 2 c star square 1 by v1 v2 is equal to gamma, you can take it right side, so here you will have gamma plus 1 by 2, so this and this will cancelled out, so you will have c star square is equal to v1 v2, so c stars you can also write like this. Next, in terms of Mach number, what you can do from this equation, c star by v1 c star by v2, it will be 1, so it is m star 1 m star 2 equal to 1. So this is your Prandtl equation, Prandtl-Meyer equation. So I will discuss once more to make it better understand. So to determine this Prandtl-Meyer equation, you have to remember these four equation: continuity equation, momentum equation, and at stagnation you have to remember this, and for lastly this equation and this equation. Now what we have done, from this equation we take these two portion, then we have multiplied by this and divide by v1, then after that we got this equation. Similarly, if we take these two portion, then we will get these two equation. Next step, what we have done, we take this momentum equation, and in momentum equation we apply this continuity equation. That is, we take this momentum equation, then we have divide by this, and this we have this value, this one. Now in case of rho 1 we have divide by rho 1 v1, in case of p2 we have divide by rho 2 v2. So from this you get this equation. So you have determined these two value. Now you have just put this value, then do some simplification, then you will have this. So you can arrange it like that so that you will get this equation. So this is all about this Prandtl equation.